everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the September 2020 Sew Sampler Box. If you're new to the Sew Sampler Boxes, they are a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. They're $24.95 a month plus shipping, and they come with all kinds of goodies and notions, patterns, and fabric inside. If you're interested in getting one of these boxes, just click the show more link below this video and you'll see in the description box a link on where you can get them. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the theme for this month is called Hidden Gem, and there is a 30% off coupon for By Annie Notions. So on the back, so you always get a fun coupon on the back. And again, this is the September box. I also have my little card that comes in every box. It tells you information on all of your products and the product value and all of that, so you can see if you're getting a good value. So I'm going to hang on to this. We're just going to start with the first thing here. So this is what they gave for the sneak peek this month on their blog post, and it's a super cute towel. I can't see if you can see the whole thing or not, but it's got all these little fun sewing notions on them. It is a towel, and it's got this little hanging tab on the other side, so you can hang it on your oven or a hook or whatever, and it's just a super cute little tea towel. So this retails for $9.98, and it just says, keep a snippet of your sewing life in the kitchen with this exclusive tea towel by Stacy Bloomfield of Ginger Bear. Flush with classic thimbles, buttons, needles, pins, and more. Not even dirty dishes will dampen your stitchy spirit. Now this is a nice white towel. It is a little bit thin, so I have a feeling my family would probably stain it pretty quickly, so I may not be putting this in my kitchen, but super cute. The next thing in this month's box is track number 6, and if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, every month they put in a special pattern for a different block, and then at the end of the 12 months of getting their box, you can put all the blocks together and put them together in a sampler type quilt. And so that is this month's. They come on these little cardstock cards. They're nice and sturdy, and this one is using pretty much all solids, and it's their greatest hits series. This one features a larger star with a smaller star inside. You can get these patterns on the Fat Quarter Shop website after the entire year is over, and they retail for $4.98. So the next thing in our box is this Sew Mate Quilt clips. These retail for $9.98, and they're specially designed to enhance your home quilting. It rolls up and keeps your quilt sandwich out of the way as you quilt, and it fits beautifully in the throat of domestic sewing machines. Make your home quilting fuss-free with these easy-to-use, pretty in purple clips. Here you can kind of see a picture of it in use up here on the front, but basically you would roll your quilt up, put these on the side, and then that can be, the rolled up side can go into your throat on your sewing machine, and then you can do whatever quilting and whatnot you need to. I tend to just kind of roll it up on my own, so I don't know that I really need this as a notion. I think it's an interesting idea though, and then this in combination with the Machine Girl's quilting gloves I think might actually be really nice and helpful, especially if you have a smaller quilting machine. I have a Juki TL2000. It has a huge throat space, so I either just kind of squish my quilt in there and then kind of squish it out, because I tend to go side to side and up and down while I am quilting. So I'm not sure how much I'll use these, but it is an interesting notion and I would like to give it a shot. So the next thing in our box, and I find this extremely interesting, is a 7x7 silicone applique fusing mat. So this retails for $18.98, which seems kind of pricey for the size because it's really 7x7. That's not a very big mat, but for most appliques you're usually doing smaller pieces, so it's probably a good size. And it's basically to help you not get all that sticky stuff on your iron. So it says usually use it easily over iron applique mess free, and the see-through non-slip surface lets you press exactly where you need to. It can be used with any iron setting and all iron-on fusible items, and can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So basically what you're going to do is do your little fusible stuff, put your applique piece on there, on your quilt or whatever you're going to applique it to, put this on top of it, and iron on top of this is what it sounds like. And then this doesn't melt to your iron, and all the sticky stuff from your applique doesn't also get on your iron, which is really nice, because I think previously I've just been using, either I'm trying to be really careful around the edges, or I will just use another piece of fabric and lay that over the top of my applique, and then try and kind of iron over that. That way the sticky stuff doesn't get on my iron, because it can be really messy. So I think this is really interesting little notion, and I'm definitely excited to try this out. I do have some applique stuff coming, so I'm actually good timing on this one. So yeah, I don't know. Like I said, the price is a little high for this in my opinion, but at the same time, if it keeps your iron clean and makes your life a little bit easier, I don't know. I'm interested in trying it for sure. The pattern for this month is so cute. This is a pack and go project bag, and this was designed exclusively for Sew Sampler Box, and it was designed by Sherry McConnell, and it says just what you need for any trip, large enough to store fabric and notions, accented with pretty patchwork while sporting a peekaboo vinyl window. It's topped off with handles, and this project bag is perfection. And then you're going to be using it with this little fat quarter bundle that I am going to be showing you soon, but that is super cute, and it's got these, oh, hello, Jax. Sorry about that. Jax just let himself into my sewing room. But let's go ahead and look back at this pattern. It is got this cute little patchwork on the bottom, and then this clear vinyl window, and then a zipper, kind of like my easy vinyl zipper pouches, sort of similar to that, but then they added this cute little border on the bottom, which I think is really cute. And let's check out this pattern. There's tips for working with zippers, tips for working with vinyl, and this is a really nice kind of thick and colored pattern. So super easy and fun and definitely very cute. And then let's take a look at the fabric that comes with it. Can't remember if I said, but this retails for $9.98. All right, and here is the adorable fat quarter bundle that comes with it. It's the Petite Balboa Fat Quarter Bundle by Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics. And it says, relax into the soothing tones of Balboa by Sherry and Chelsea. Breezy blues, teals, and grays slide right into warm oranges and purples for a rich blend of color. Whimsically sketched florals brighten the collection and invite you to retreat to your happiest place. So let this 6-piece fat quarter bundle carry you away. This fat quarter bundle retails for $18.98, and there are, like I said, 6 of them in there. Here is that main print on the back. So I'm definitely loving the fabric in this month's box. It's adorable. All right, guys, that's everything that came in the September 2020 box. The box value, like I said, was $24.95 for purchase price, and the value of the box is $72.88. So you're definitely getting a good value in this box. So here are my favorites from this month. I love the fabric and the pattern and this little applique thingy-mabobber. I think this is actually going to be really fun and interesting to use. And if I can keep all that gunk off my iron, then definitely a bonus in my book. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. If you liked it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. I am unboxing. Today we are going to be, I've also got my standy little, you can get these patterns on the Fat Quarter website. Welcome to the sewing room. Let yourself in, buddy. All good. Tips for working with zippers is in there, which is nice. Tips for sewing with vinyl. Not in there. Wait, yeah. I love the fabric. I love the pattern. I love that little applique dealy-mabobber. Leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. If